Welcome to Tales That Stay, stories that stay with you.
Some dreams don't fail because they are impossible. They fail because they were spoken to early to the wrong ears. Armin worked in a crowded mechanic workshop at the edge of the city. From sunrise to sunset, the place was filled with noise engines roaring, metal clanking, tools hitting the floor. The smell of oil never left his clothes, no matter how much he washed them. Every day was the same. Armin, hurry up. Armin, you did this wrong. Armin, are you blind? His boss shouted over the smallest things. If a bolt was a little tight, Armin was blamed. If a customer complained, Armin was blamed. Even when the mistake wasn't his, the shouting always came his way. Armin listened. Armin stayed quiet. Armin gave his best. He repaired engines, changed brakes, fixed suspensions, and diagnosed problems others couldn't. Customers often said, "This young man knows his work." But the boss never praised him, not once. To the boss, Armin was just cheap labor. Every evening, when the workshop closed, Armin stayed back for a few minutes. He cleaned tools carefully. He watched how customers spoke, what they complained about, and what they trusted. He noticed things others ignored: poor service, unnecessary delays, careless repairs. Slowly, a practical idea formed in his mind. What if I opened my own small workshop? Simple repairs, honest work, fair prices. Nothing big, nothing fancy, just good work. The thought gave him energy. One afternoon, during a break, Armin spoke without thinking. He shared his idea with a few fellow mechanics. One day he said softly, "I want to open my own workshop." For a moment, there was silence, then laughter. "You," one said, laughing loudly. "With what money?" Another added, "Customers won't come to someone like you." A third mocked, "First learn to speak properly to the boss," someone joked. Even the T-boys smiled. Their words hit harder than that daily humiliation by boss. Armin laughed with them, pretending it didn't matter. But inside, something cracked. That evening, his hands felt heavier, his confidence weaker. The idea that once excited him now felt foolish. Maybe they're right. Maybe I'm dreaming too much. That night, Armin returned home later than usual. His father was sitting quietly on a wooden chair outside the house, watching the street. His hair was white, his back slightly bent by age and years of hard work. His father noticed Armin's silence. "You're tired," he said. Armin sat beside him. For a long moment, he said nothing. Then the words came out about the workshop, the insults, the laughter, the dream that now felt embarrassing. "I told them," Armin said quietly. "They laughed at me." His father listened carefully. He didn't interrupt. When Armin finished, his father sighed gently. "My son," he said, "plans are not meant for everyone's ears." Armin looked at him. His father continued, "When you share your plans too early, people mix their fear with your dream. Some don't want to see you rise. Some laugh because they once failed. Others mock because they are comfortable where they are." He paused. "Silence is not weakness," his father said. "Silence is protection." Armin felt his chest tighten. "If you want to build something," his father added, "build it quietly. Work when others talk. Learn when others laugh. Let your success roar, not your words." Those words settled deep inside Armin. The next morning, Armin returned to the same workshop. Same boss, same insults, same noise, but something had changed. He stopped talking about his plans. Instead, he observed more closely. He learned more deeply. He memorized common problems and solutions. He saved every bit of money he could. He repaired extra cars after hours. He practiced fixing old engines at home. Days turned into weeks. Weeks turned into months. No one knew what Armin was preparing. One day, the boss insulted him again, this time in front of a customer. "You're useless," the boss shouted. Armin lowered his head and kept working. But that night, he marked a date on a small calendar. After months of silent effort, Armin rented a tiny space near a busy road. The walls were old. The roof leaked a little, but it was his. He bought second-hand tools. He painted a simple sign, "Arman Auto Repair, Honest Work." He didn't tell anyone, not his co-workers, not neighbors. Only his father knew. The first week, no customers came. The second week, one car stopped by. Then another. Armin treated every vehicle like it mattered. He explained problems honestly. He charged fairly. Word spread slowly. The same people who laughed never noticed. One morning, Armin didn't show up at the old workshop. The boss was angry. "Where's that boy?" he shouted. Days passed. Then, weeks. One afternoon, a former co-worker passed by a small workshop near the road. He stopped. "Arman?" he said, shocked. Cars were lined up. Customers waited patiently. Arman was working calm, focused, confident. "When did this happen?" the co-worker asked. Armin wiped his hands and smiled. "While you were talking," he said. "I was working." That evening, Arman sat beside his father again. "You were right," Arman said. His father smiled softly. "Remember this," he said. "Not every plan needs noise. Some plans need silence, patience, and time." Moral of the story: don't share your plans with everyone. Some people clap. Some people laugh. Some people kill dreams without meaning to. Work quietly. Build patiently. And let your results speak when the time is right.